Hey guys, Doc here with Dr. Autospot, just wrapping up another ceramic coating for a new client of ours. This is a brand new vehicle, a 2023 Subaru Forester. Would you look at the paint, how it's glossy and shiny? Wow. Now this is hours and hours of preparation. It's not like we just wipe down the car on a brand new car and put our coating product on it. No, clear coat's not perfect from the factory. We all know that. So we need to spend hours and hours prepping it. This is an all day's worth of work. And we let it sit inside overnight so it can cure. Now it's ready for inclement weather conditions. But look at the gloss. I mean, from one panel to the next, it is just seamless. Looks fantastic. Remember, ceramic coatings are there to help you protect your clear coat from environmental damages, environmental fallout, bugs, road grime, road salt, tree sap. There's all kinds of things that affect how a clear coat will look. Also, ceramic coatings help keep your vehicle clean for the long haul. Makes it super easy to maintain. There's no more need for waxing after this. All we're going to need to do is a simple hand wash with a pH balanced soap that will take care of it for him. And maybe once a year doing a little booster to the coating to kind of reflash things. Other than that, that's really about all the maintenance that it needs. Really super happy with the way things turned out. Our level 3 package includes all the ceramic coating on the glass, the paint, and the face of the rims. Why would you want to put it on the glass? Well, it improves nighttime clarity and visibility, helps keep bugs from sticking to them, also helps resist water spots. There's hot summer days where it rains for 5 minutes and then water has nowhere to go and it just dries on the glass. Well, in this case, it's going to now dry on the coating, very easily wipe off. It won't etch into the glass. So that's all we got for today. If we can do anything for you, please feel free to reach out to us. We're super passionate about what we do. We love this kind of work. We love helping you protect your nice investment. Let's face it, cars are an investment these days, right? So we want to do everything that we can to help preserve and protect them for the long haul. No more need to waxing. Those days are over. Again, wax has its place. If you drive a showroom car, or it's parked in a garage, never sees inclement weather, only driven on Sunday kind of thing, yeah, wax might be okay for you in those circumstances. But for an everyday driving vehicle, you want to make your maintenance super easy. You want to add a ton of gloss and extra defense for the environment. The ceramic coating is the way to go. Well, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you have an awesome day. See you later.